Hi, good morning. I'm Zoe. This time I come back with a new example of order of operations. We have an algebraic statement here. As you see, 25 divided by 5, divide by 5, divide by 25, multiply, divide, and multiply. Everything is multiply and division. But which one first? According to order of operation, we should follow this one. First parenthesis, any kind of bracket, curly bracket, anything. First we do this one, we don't have here. Exponent, when number and number raised to a power or multiply by itself. And then it's multiplication and division like this one. They are at the same level. Which one first? The first coming from the left side. From left to right, as you see here. And then addition and subtraction. But we don't have anything, just multiplication and division. But we should start from left one, okay? Step by step. 25 divided by 5 gets 5. But we rewrite everything else. Right. Good. Again, we have multiplication and division. Which one first? The first one. Okay. 5 divided by 5, 1. And rewrite everything. Good. So far, so good. Which one first? This is division and multiplication, the first one. Yes? 1 over 25 times 25. The next one is multiplication at the left. Okay. Do this. 25 times 1 over 25 gets 1. Right? It cancels with this one. Okay. But rewrite everything. Now, division, multiplication. Which one first? This. 1 divided by 5. Rewrite the rest. Okay. 1 over 5 divided by this one. Division means that you multiply by reciprocal of this one. Right? Okay. Times this. How much is going to be? 1 times 1? 125. Right? 1 over 125 times 125. The answer is 1 because this cancels and the answer gets 1. Huh? It was very sweet, I think, and easy. You need a break here. Okay, hope you like this one, and don't forget to subscribe to channel and share this with your friends and other students. Thank you. Bye-bye.